Why is a single tank of gas now twice as expensive? Why is your rent jumping every year? And why is even a simple burger slowly turning into a luxury item? Today we're stepping inside Bob's tiny cafe to discover the 7 real reasons everything keeps getting more expensive. Meet Bob. 2 years ago his croissants were cheap. Now they cost 3 times more. Bob isn't greedy. He's dealing with big forces that push prices up. Let's break down the 7 main reasons. Demand pull inflation. Imagine one morning, everyone in town decides Bob's croissants are the best. There's a huge line, but Bob cannot bake fast enough. He sells out in minutes. So what does he do? He raises the price. When demand is high and supply is low, prices rise. Cost push inflation. One day, the price of flour, butter, and sugar goes up. Bob now spends more to make each croissant. He can't take a loss, so he has to charge more. When production costs rise, prices rise with them. The wage price spiral. Bob's workers say everything is expensive now. We need higher pay. Bob increases their wages and raises croissant prices to cover the new cost. A month later, the workers ask for another raise. Bob raises prices again. This back and forth cycle keeps pushing prices higher. Monetary inflation. Imagine the government prints a lot of new money. People suddenly have more cash to spend. But Bobby still makes only 10 croissants a day, no more. Now, more people can buy croissants, but there are still only 10. Too much money chasing the same amount of goods make prices go up. Supply shocks. A storm, drought, or war stops wheat from reaching factories. Suddenly, there's less flour in the market. Bob must pay much more for flour, so croissant prices jump. When supply is hit by unexpected events, prices rise fast. Currency depreciation. When your country's money loses value, imports become more expensive. Butter, coffee, chocolate, anything bought from abroad now costs more. Bob pays higher prices for ingredients, so customers pay more too. Inflation expectations. If everyone believes croissants will be more expensive tomorrow, they rush to buy them today. More buying today pushes prices up now. Sometimes prices rise simply because people expect them to. So the next time your rent, gas, phone bill, or burger gets more expensive, remember, it's usually one of these 7 reasons, or a mix of them. Which one is hurting your wallet the most right now? Tell me in the comments. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next video. See you there!